Managing a startup with limited number of individuals in the company can be really difficult, especially when we have like one person or two person in organization that have to act as the customer service person, the sales person, client manager, accountant, and so many other roles that individuals had to take on in their organization. And this is why we created this workflow in mind, putting into consideration individuals that have startup and need resources that will help them easily manage their organization with low cost. For this particular project, we put in our case study is a case study of a tech consultancy firm that needs to onboard their clients regularly to the organization. And to aid this process, we have a Google form which a client fills from the organization website to sign up with the company. In the Google form, we have the client's name, the client company, phone number, email, project type, or meaning if the kind of project you want the organization to work on is in website design, payment integration, or billing system. Now, if it's not listed, you can just put it as order. Your budget for the project, preferred date when you like the project to start, estimated project duration, and a time you would like to book a discovery time with the organization. In this scenario, our startup name is AutoRoute AI. And once the client fills this Google form, immediately it populates this Google sheet that fills all the information from the client. And on the Google sheet, we have this status column that shows if the client is awaiting discovery call, or probably after the discovery call, the client have decided not to proceed with their plan, or have decided to proceed. That's when we have the onboarded option. And then this takes us to our workflow, back to our workflow. On our workflow, once the Google form has been filled, it automatically populates the Google sheet, and we have a switch here that says, oh, if the client is still, based on the status on the Google sheet, if the client is still awaiting discovery call, it goes ahead to schedule a discovery call with the client, and then sends after discovery call has been scheduled, send a sign up email to the client. And here we have it. So this is our discovery call scheduled. Okay, this is the meeting link first, scheduled using our end-to-end automation. That's discovery call, and then we have an email that is sent as soon as the call has been scheduled, which is discovery call scheduled. You can see on that the email was sent automatically with end-to-end, and this email includes the client's name, the time and date the call has been scheduled for, and what to expect during the call. For the second status, which is when the client has been onboarded, as soon as the client has been onboarded, we have an email that is sent out to tell the client that we're happy to work with the client. The email says excited to start working with you, thank the client for joining the organization, and also let them know that we'll be sending an onboarding email to them. And once this has been sent, we have this wait note that waits. Okay, once this has been sent, first we create a folder for the client specifically. This folder would contain everything related to the client, and once the folder has been created, we have this wait that says wait after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, when the first email has been sent, after the client has been onboarded, send the next email that would include the onboarding guide. So here we have the onboarding guide for the client. So you can see what it looks like. Very, very beautiful. Welcome to AutoRoute AI, and telling them that we're pleased to work with them, giving them information on the workflow and milestone, how the project phase will look like. Then communication channel will be using our email, shared folder, virtual calls, and chat for quick updates. And then it also says project folder. It's added the link to the project folder, and also inform them about the next step, like project setup, onboarding, tracking dashboard, and every other information they'll need. If you can see here, it also says the email was automatically sent using end-to-end. Then once this is done, we're good to go. But for scenarios when the client is not proceeding with the plan. We also send a email to the client that says, oh, thank you very much, we appreciate the fact that you are interested in working with us, and we hope that in future time you'd get back to us and we'll be able to work together. So this is basically what the project is about, and I believe this would help organizations manage their onboarding process effectively. Thank you.